Welcome to our channel. This is Iris. Today I would like to introduce some mask case for you. As you know, the mask case can keep the mask clean and easy to carry. So it's necessary for you to have a mask case when you go out. And we mainly have two kinds of mask case. One is for this kind ordinary masks, and the other one is for this kind KN95 mask. And first, let's talk about the mask case for ordinary masks. And we have four different styles of these ordinary mask case. This is the first one. It's a square box. And open the box. You can see here have a package to fix the mask. And this mask case can pack about 3 pieces ordinary mask. And we can provide you 5 different styles, different colors of this mask case. White color, pink, blue, red, and orange. And here has a mask case is similar to this one, but the difference is this mask case surface has a finger pattern, and here has a hanger hole and can match the string hanger. And this mask case has 5 different colors for you to choose. The red, white, pink, red, and orange. And by the way, every mask case we all have a OPP bag to pack the box. And the second one is a rectangular box. And this box also has a package to fix the mask, and it can hold about 3 pieces ordinary masks. This type mask case, we have 4 different colors for you to choose. White color, orange, 2 different blue colors. And we also can provide the printing. This is a 1 color printing, 2 color printing, 2 color printing, and 2 color printing. The third one is a box bigger than this one. It's this mask case can pack about 10 pieces ordinary masks. We have 5 different colors for you to choose. Pink color, red, white, red, and blue. This mask case is suitable for family use. The last one is a clear package mask case. We have several different hue cotton printing on the surface. You can choose the pattern you want. And this mask case, it can hold about 7 pieces ordinary marks. And this one will be bigger than this one. So this time is for the child marks. Here have a hanger hole. And the next is the mask case for KN95 marks. First is a clear mask case. This mask case can hold about 4 pieces KN95 marks. And on the surface you can find this outstanding part and some simple words printing on the surface. And the second one is a small mask case. And you can see it's very thin. And so it just can pack 1 piece KN95 marks. And it has a hanger hole. If you need the string, we also can provide you same color string as the mask case. And we have 4 different colors for you to choose. Green, pink, blue, and white. The last one is a bigger spare box compared with this mask case. This time mask case can pack about 4 pieces KN95 marks. And we also have 4 different colors for you to choose. White color, blue, green, and pink. And here has a hanger hole. So these are all of our mask case. And in addition, we accept custom printing. The above mask case we can provide the custom printing according to your needs. So please feel free to contact with us. Thank you.